Hi, this is Shay Jackson with Hype Math. In today's second and third grade math review video, we will be discussing an overview of two-digit addition strategies. Let's get started. Remember, second and third graders, if you have good thoughts, they will shine out of your face like sunbeams, and you will always look lovely. That is by Mr. Dahl. Do you need help with math because of COVID-19 and virtual learning? Is there a second to eighth grader out there that needs a little bit extra help in grasping challenging math concepts? Have good news for you. Helping Young People Excel in Math is now enrolling new students. In order to receive a free assessment and 30-minute consultation, you can call or text 682-233-3087 or go to our website, hypemath.com, and fill out a contact form. We have another great announcement coming in April 2021. There will be a Hype's Math Mission Possible magazine and also the start of the Hype Math and Reading Club for second and third graders. Pre-ordering will be available in March 2021. More details will follow. You don't want to miss it. Let's look at some of the two-digit addition strategies. We have sketching, compensation, expanded place value form, and adding up in chunks. The first one we will discuss is sketching. Sketching is where students use base 10 blocks to visually add two-digit numbers. Let's look at an example. For our math problem, we have what is the sum of 62 and 29. The first thing that we're going to do is sketch 62, so that will be 6 10 blocks and 2 1 blocks, plus sketching 29, there will be 2 10 blocks and 9 9 blocks. The steps to add, what we're going to do is first add all of our 10 blocks for both numbers. We have 6 in one number and 2 in the other. When we add that together, that is equal to 8. And if you notice, when we added the 10 blocks, we have 8 10 blocks in our group. Next, we're going to add the ones blocks. When we add all of the ones blocks together, we will end up with 11 ones blocks. So since we have 11, that is really 1 10 block and 1 ones block. When we do that, what we're going to do is add that other block with our 10 blocks. So now we have a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We have 9 tens blocks and only 1 ones block. So our answer is equal to 91. And this is how you use sketching in order to add two-digit addition numbers. And even though this is an overview, there will be separate videos to go in depth more for all of the different strategies. Let's look at another one. We have compensation. Compensation is where students adjust the addends or the numbers to be added so that one of the numbers in the ones place adds up to 10. Let's look at an example of that. We're still using our word sentence, what is the sum of 62 and 29? We said that we want to make one of the numbers 10. And for this problem, we are going to make the 9 10. In order to do that, we are going to add 1 to 9, and we're going to subtract 1 from the 2 in 62. Let me say it again. We decided that we are going to add 1 to that 9 to make 10. If we add 1 to one number, we must subtract 1 from the other number. And that goes with whatever number you use. Whatever you do to one number, you do the opposite operation to the other one. Since I added 1 to 9, which is in the ones place, I am going to subtract 1 from the 2. 62 minus 1 is equal to 61, and 29 plus 1 is equal to 30. When I add 61 plus 30 together, that is equal to 91. And this is how you use compensation when adding two-digit addition numbers. Let's look at another example. We have expanded form or expanded place value form. This is where students break the addends into expanded form and the place value amounts are added. Let's look at an example. We're still using our same addition word problem. What is the sum of 62 and 29? What I am going to do is break the addends up into expanded form. So instead of just 62, we are breaking it up into 60 plus 2. And for 29, it will be 20 plus 9. Now I'm going to add my ones place together. 2 plus 9 is equal to 11. And then the tens place. 60 plus 20 is equal to 80. Now before I add these two numbers together, I notice that 11 can be broken up because it has a 10 in its number. We have 11. Putting 11 in expanded form, that will be 10 plus 1. I add that 10 with 80, that will make it 90, and then I have plus 1. 80 plus 10 is 90, plus 1 is equal to 91. And that is how you use the expanded form strategy. Let's look at one more strategy. This is called adding up in chunks. For this strategy, students keep one number whole, which means it stays in its original value, and the other number is changed to expanded form. Let's take a look and see what that really looks like. We're still using 62 and 29 as our addends. We said that we're going to keep one addend at its original value. In this problem, we decided to keep 29 the way it is, but for 62, we broke that up into expanded form, so it's 60 plus 2. Now let's add. We have 60 plus 29, that is equal to 89. And don't forget to add that 2. 89 plus 2 is equal to 91. And that is how you use adding in chunks as a strategy. And once again, this is just an overview of all of the addition strategies when you add two-digit numbers. We will be taking a deeper dive in each strategy in later videos. And that is it. Remember, if you need a math tutor, don't hesitate. You will receive a free assessment and also a free 30-minute consultation. This is Shay Jackson with Hype Math. I will talk to you soon.